welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be clean throughout the day. My kids are actually upstairs getting some schoolwork done, that whole virtual learning stuff. So the teacher's constantly sending me messages of homework that they gotta get done, and they have deadlines, so they're making sure they get that done. So but I think this is the last week that they're going to be doing online schooling, because our spring break is like the first week of April, so that week they don't have to do any kind of schoolwork, so that's good. But I don't know when we're going to go back to school. We don't know, so we don't know anything yet. I don't even know if my kids going to go back to school for the rest of the school year, so we'll see about that. So I'm gonna get some cleaning done and just come along with me and see what I get done. This video is in collab with Karla from Karla Sweet Life. You guys will love her channel. She also collects right done, which I love. Karla has 2 boys and is married to a Coast Guardsman, and they are stationed right now in Hawaii. So you guys go over to her channel and show her some love. I will make sure to leave her link down in the description box. After I cleared out the sink, I put all the dishes in the dishwasher, and I got the ground beef for dinner tonight.
Sorry if I sound a little harsh, but I don't know how to.
Also called the kids downstairs to bring me their laundry, because I have been on a mission to stay on top of the laundry. You guys, I do not like doing big piles of laundry. Sometimes I let it go for a while, and it happens because life happens, but I'm doing my very best to keep on top of it. Well, I would love to hear from all of you. Comment down below, how have you guys been handling the self-quarantine? Do you still have to work? Are your kids at home? My kids are at home, and right now we don't know when we are going back to school, so they will be home with me for a while. The first week it took a little bit for us to get the hang of homeschooling. It was a lot of work, a lot of websites the kids had to go through, but I think we got the hang of it now. Right now I'm getting ready to give my bathroom some extra love. The bathroom is one room I do not like to clean, but it's also one room I do not like to see dirty, you know. But it's got to get done. If you're enjoying my video, give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps my channel a ton. And make sure you have the notification bell on, because I get comments all the time that they have not received my notification for my new videos.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings, say you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional,
So while I was cleaning the bathroom, sorry, I'm getting ready to go check on the kids to see how their schoolwork is doing. I keep getting messages from their teachers. They are using this website called Zoom. It's the first time I've heard it. And basically, they said they miss seeing their kids. So they're trying to plan like this FaceTime type thing where they can all see each other. So I thought that was super sweet. So let me go see.
something else is on your mind, like everything
So
that's
I just finished cleaning this half bathroom. It's so hard to film in here, so I just went ahead and cleaned it and disinfected it, so everything is nice and clean in here.
to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria.
This floor was pretty disgusting. Everything gets a lot dirtier when the kids are home. There was a spill here. Nobody knows who did it. I know when I was walking around the floor, my slippers kept sticking to the floor, so I had to mop the kitchen floor.
Then we make love when we are done. Breaking open, then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me.
Okay, so it's like 11:30, so I'm gonna get started on lunch now. I decided to make some Skinny Taste egg salad. I love that recipe, but the only thing I do is I triple the recipe because the serving size is not enough for everybody. So I'm going to show you how I do my eggs. I always make sure to put my eggs in the pressure cooker because they peel a lot easier, because you guys, I cannot peel eggs to save my life. So I normally put about 2 cups of water underneath, like 1.5 cups, 2 cups, and then I added on here, there's like a rack that came with this pressure cooker, and then I added 19 eggs. I'm going to pressurize it for 7 minutes, and then 2 of the eggs is going to go to my daughter's because she is a picky eater and she will not eat egg salad, but she will eat boiled eggs. So I'm going to close this thing up. Okay, and then let's see. Let's do 7 minutes, and that should be good.
Don't cry for me.
This egg cutter thingamajig, whatever you call it, I got this from Walmart. It was like $3-4, and I got it a few years ago because it saves me so much time when it comes to chopping eggs. And honestly, I don't like chopping anything. I don't like chopping meat. I don't like chopping vegetables because I chop them pretty big. I chop them in big chunks. So either that, or I would use the, what's it called, the chopper, and I'll put the veggies in there. Or if my husband is home, he'll chop everything up for me. He does a great job when it comes to that. But whenever I do a recipe, most of the time I don't even measure. I just add what I want on there. I always look at the recipe to see how much it asks for, but I just eye it.
A man thing, babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby.
So my daughter likes to eat her boiled eggs with olive oil, pink Himalayan salt, and fresh cracked pepper. The girl's bougie, y'all. She had some creative time. What's this?
It's a picture of me in a costume.
You in a costume? Let me see. Oh wow, I see that. I see it.
Lots of orange, but not only orange. So there's only like 2 colors. There's only 2 colors that are different. The gray and the red.
Orange.
Orange.
Good job, Mama. The last thing I need to do was fold the clothes. I don't fold my boys' clothes. They actually fold their own clothes. The only thing I had to do is put their clothes in the basket, and I will call them, and they will take their clothes upstairs and put them away. And now that my daughter's home, I will fold her clothes, and she will put her own clothes away. So that helps out a ton. So that will be all, guys. Don't forget to go check out Karla's channel. I will make sure to leave her link down in the description box. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.